Many might recognize Katie Estrada from his stint in Pinoy Big Brother Community Season 10. He became known for his musical talent and his earnest honesty inside the house that attracted the support and love of many fans. In television, Katie Estrada has starred in leading roles that showcase his growth as a performer. To name a few, the mini-series Run to Me alongside Alexa Ilacad, teen romance series Bola Bola, the drama Pira-Pirasong Paraiso, and in movies like Fruitcake. Now, KD continues to refine his craft on the theater stage. After his theater debut in Petas Walang Aray, he returns to the spotlight in Bagets the Musical, further showcasing his growth.
Ayun po, just also gigs. I've been doing out-of-town shows din. And,
like where? Saan ka pumunta?
I just went to Baler, Aurora. I just had serenading some candidates lang for
Sarap.
their
Pag ganun ba nakakaikot ka sa Baler? Or talagang work-work lang?
Sometimes, but most of the time, it's just work. Like last time, just work lang. But I get to at least enjoy where we're staying at lang naman. So.
Oh, okay, so theater work tsaka serenading work. Sometimes guesting, ganon.
Guesting, yeah.
Beauty pageant. Miss Janice Navida. Na naka-heels today.
Pinaghandaan ko daw talaga sila. Char. Ayan, my question is for KD
Yes,
muna.
ma'am.
KD, kasi matagal-tagal na rin kayong hindi nagkakasama ni Alexa sa isang project.
Yeah.
Wala bang project for the both of you soon na magkasama kayo?
I'm hoping. It depends kasi. Like, there are times kasi like na, yung mga love teams, they're not really working together anymore. And that's not because we don't want to work with each other. It's just sadyang times change lang talaga. And other things come our ways din. So, I'm hoping this year maka-work ko siya ulit. But, I'm okay with just working with myself muna. And she can do her own thing. Kasi happy naman kami. Like, what's important is naman na kaming dalawa, we're like super okay kami. Like, super close kami. But, wala eh. Life happens eh. And work happens.
So, kumusta kayo? Do you still communicate even na hindi kayo magkasama sa isang project?
Yes nga, ate.
Oo, kasi parang recently, di ba, may sinagot ka yatang isang basher na iniling ka doon sa isang upcoming star.
Yeah.
Oo.
Kasi the thing is, she's my classmate lang. The story there is, nag-live stream siya. Tapos nag-live stream siya, nag-rehearsal kami. Tapos tinutok niya lang sa akin yung camera. Kasi we're all, magkakasama naman kaming lahat eh. Then, yan lang. Screenshot lang yung and then I just answered to the person na took that into offense. Sabi ko lang, wala. She just pointed the camera lang at me. What's the issue there? So, and then, with that single screenshot, gagawa ng ibang tao ang complete narrative. Meron silang 5 pages ng 5 pages ng story na, yeah, they make an essay on why I'm a bad person, ganyan, why I'm, ganyan. But like, for me lang naman, just before you speak, isip ka muna.
So, na-offend ka sa mga ganong syempre fake news?
Yeah, of course. Kasi, of course, it's nakaka-offend, like bilang artist. Kasi, for me, you're creating something that, basically from nothing. Ano kasi, Diyos? You're making stories about people who you barely know about, who you don't know their lives. And then, the moment na you see something that doesn't favor you, you create something just to make fuzz lang on the internet. So for me, I just wanted to shut that person down lang.
And kanina, KD, na-mention mo na you have a dream to become a director.
Yeah.
Oo.
Yeah.
Since actor ka din, sino yung sa mga actor-director natin yung nag-i-inspire sa'yo?
Nag-i-inspire sa akin. Mostly Hollywood eh. I think si Matthew McConaughey, nag-direct siya once. Pero yeah, yan lang naman. Siya yung idol ko eh.
Sa local, wala pa.
Wala pa naman. Kasi direct ko ako. Direct ko
Coco
ako.
Martin.
What's the first musical you've seen? And can you share with us your experiencing that production?
Oh my
Ay,
God.
ang ganda ng question. Oo nga.
Oh my God. Thank you for asking that question. Bumalik siya sa akin. This was in New York, Broadway.
Wow naman. First, natalo musical na New York. Grabe,
sorry,
sana pinauna mo sila. Ay, sundan mo.
Quezon City lang yung napanood.
Quezon City lang kami.
This is for work. For work to.
Oh, sige.
Parang, this is for Beyond the Stars, Star Magic. Star Magic tour kami. New York kami. Tapos, Direk Lauren was pushing me and Alexa to watch Moulin Rouge. Pero parang we were hesitant. Hesitant kami. Pero hesitant kami. Yeah.
What year?
This is 2021. 21, yes. 2021. Si Derek Lee na yung Derek, yeah. So, he pushed us to watch Moulin Rouge. Pero me and Alexa medyo hesitant kami. And then, when we watched it, grabe, wow. Ang ganda. Like, nahook kami. So, we wanted to watch more. Then we watched Wicked. after. Then we watched Phantom of the Opera after. So, yun.
Na-addict na.
Na-addict na kaming dalawa, oo.
Maraming salamat. And thank you guys. And now, before we let you go, gusto naming malaman, last message nyo sa lahat ng mga nanonood ngayon. Let's promote our shows. Tungkol sa ng Bagets, quickly. Tungkol sa ng Spring Awakening. Go ahead.
Guys, Katie Estrada here. And thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you mga kapamilya. Don't forget to watch our shows, Bagets the Musical and Spring Awakening. Get your tickets, guys. We run from March 22? Ay.
Pala, dun tayo yan.
One more, take two. Hi, Katie Estrada here. Don't forget to watch Bagets the Musical and of course Spring Awakening. Bagets the Musical runs from now until March 22.
Talk na tayo kay KD. Kasi merong may comment.
nagkamali
Sabi
ako
ni
kanina ng camera.
sabi ni Ramos Evelyn, KD, paki-remove sunglasses mo. Ganda kaya ng eyes mo. Isang
Nahiya kasi
isang
ako
slow-mo.
eh.
3, 2, 1. And then,
Ayoko na.
thank you so much, guys, for being so game this afternoon. We had so much fun. Maraming salamat once again. Palakpakan natin Sheena Bellarmino, Vino Mabalot, and KD Estrada.
Thank you po.